Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure you have the RC vehicle and it's remote ready. This saves time and prevents resets. Once done, move to an open, flat area. You want room to maneuver. Make sure you're not wanted by police, because explosions and chase will interrupt control. Equip the remote from the weapon wheel or interaction menu and select the RC Bandito. This hands control over to the remote unit so you can drive remotely without leaving cover. Once you activate the remote, the camera jumps to the RC perspective and you have full inputs. This matters because depth perception changes. Use the left stick to steer and the right stick or shoulder buttons for speed and manual boost when available. Keep eyes on the minimap to anticipate turns, gaps, or hazards like curbs and water. RCs flip easily. If you need to reposition, pause, exit remote mode briefly to move yourself, then re-enter. This preserves To finish, drive the RC to the objective or the reclaim point and confirm mission completion. This registers the vehicle as used. Once done, exit remote mode near solid cover so you don't get caught while vulnerable. Spawned RC often explodes on contact. If the RC gets stuck, try toggling remote mode off and on. If you encounter a persistent glitch, reload the last checkpoint or fast travel to reset the RC's physics and position, which usually fixes control issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.